My dear students, another emerging techniques of employee orientation is onboarding. Some of the employers use the term onboarding interchangeably with orientation, and they don't use that term interchangeably only with employee orientation, but they use that term interchangeably with other terminologies such as alignment of a new employee with the organization, the assimilation of a new employee in the organizational system, the integration of a new employees and their practices, and the transition of new employees within the organization. So this terminology is using interchangeably with number of other terminologies related to employee orientation. But onboarding differs from these processes, especially from a traditional orientation program in a several way. So let's see that how onboarding is a different thing. Onboarding continues far beyond the point at which orientation programs typically end, lasting as long as a year. My dear students, you know that traditional employee orientation program may last for 2 to 3 days, but that onboarding may last for a year. It means you are giving more time to the new employees that he can understand the organization in best possible manner. And you are not focusing only on the basic information of organization, but you are focusing on something more progressive and something more advanced as compared to traditional orientation program. Onboarding links new employees with more colleagues, not only with one colleague in a buddy system, not only with the manager or the supervisor, not only with the HR representative. Onboarding links new employees with more colleagues, number of colleagues, and introduce them to other aspects of the company. So the aspects of the companies are more broader, as it was more focused and more narrow in a traditional employee orientation program. Here the number of aspects of the company can be understood through onboarding system. Number 3, onboarding provides specialized resources and intensive support to the new hire, and new hire can understand almost all of the major aspects of the company, and understanding those aspects of the companies would help him to excel in job in the organization. The onboarding process supports a closer connection between an employee and her manager as well. So the closer connection between employee and employer, and a closer connection of a new hire with other colleagues for understanding different aspects of the organizations could be achieved more better through onboarding as compared to a traditional orientation program. And last but not least, onboarding programs are customized to focus on the areas of greatest need for an individual or role in the company. So onboarding is a quite customized program. In onboarding, one employee can understand different aspects of the company, keeping in view his or her own needs to get the job well done. So onboarding is much more specialized and advanced techniques of employee orientation as compared to the traditional orientation program. So my dear students, this would end that how we can orient new employees in the organization, and that would be more beneficial to the new employees as well as to the employer, that new employees should understand the organization as soon as possible so he can perform in optimized level as soon as possible in the organization.